Kitty. You ready to go? Bye, Kitty. Don't get run over. Don't end up like that other one.
Other one was a black.
I know. Get out of the street, though. Please? Can you not get hit? Buddy? Okay, cross. It's safe to cross if you want.
Why do you do that?
It's pleasure. And they rub against your leg. It's like, yeah, it makes them feel good. I don't remember what it's called, but it's... It means they love you. Or something.
Mm-hmm.
I think she likes you. You should ask her out.
Sorry, I don't believe in Pistia.
You know you're going on the internet, right? So cute, with a little bandana.
That probably is something. Once it learned how to tie it.
It learned how to do that just so it fakes an owner. Hey, buddy. Oh, there he is. He's so cute. Ready to go? Nope, not done yet. He just wants some love is all. He moved on.